Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by SOL Harbour in Ocho Rios. This is a luxury development being done by Proven Properties. They're building 2 towers in Ocho Rios. Now, Proven announced recently that they are going to be putting 15 studio apartments on the market. And these studio apartments were held back, meaning they were never put on the market when the development was up for sale. Now this development is sold out, so these 15 units are now going to be very sought after. So guys, what do you think of this strategy by Proven to keep back units? So we are going to go through an article that one talks about what Proven did with these 15 units being held back and more information on the development. Now Proven they're a major player in the real estate market in Jamaica. They built the Villa at the Braemar in New Kingston. Very nice development, 10-story building, sold out. They did another development in Mandeville. The name just slipped me. If anybody can remember the name of that development, leave a comment in the section below. But very nice development. I'm not sure if it's sold out, but very nice development. It's finished. And then they did this one in Ocho Rios, SOL Harbour, and it was reportedly sold out. I guess all the units that were put on the market were sold out. But now we realize that they had held back some units and they're putting them on the market now. And then they plan to do the Bahari at Runaway Bay also in St. Anne. So we're going to go through an article, and guys, let us know what you think about this strategy. From an economic standpoint, the release of these units could not be more timely. Jamaica's real estate sector continues to grow, driven in part by rising tourism arrivals, increased foreign direct investment, and the emergence of real estate as a favored asset class among local professionals and diaspora investors. By holding back these 15 studio units until now, Proven Properties has positioned itself to leverage both the pent-up demand and the seasonal uptick in buyer interest. This also plays into the psychology of scarcity. By limiting availability, the perceived value of each unit increases. The announcement of the release of 15 studio units at the SOL Harbour development in Ocho Rios marks a significant moment in Jamaica's real estate and tourism sectors. Spearheaded by Proven Properties, this move represents more than just the sale of high-end units. It reflects a broader strategy push to capitalize on the rising demand for flexible, luxury accommodation options in one of the island's most vibrant resort towns. With units designed for both personal enjoyment and rental income, the SOL Harbour Studios offer a compelling case for investors, returning residents, and lifestyle buyers alike. Located in the heart of Ocho Rios, the SOL Harbour development offers immediate access to some of Jamaica's most iconic attractions, including Duns River Falls, Dolphin Cove, and world-class beaches. The project's prime location is one of the most valuable assets. The proximity to major tourist draws and amenities significantly increase the potential for strong short-term rental income, especially through platforms like Airbnb. Furthermore, with improved connectivity via the nearby Ian Fleming International Airport and Ocho Rios being less than an hour from Kingston, accessibility has become a powerful selling point for both local and overseas buyers. At approximately 620 square feet, each studio unit is thoughtfully designed to cater to the modern buyer looking for turnkey living or a high-performing investment property. This square footage strikes a balance between luxury and functionality, offering enough space for comfortable long-term living while remaining manageable and efficient for short-term rental markets. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.